I'd like to welcome back with me today my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways.
And you know, a lot of people think it doesn't matter who you get for a real estate agent, but it really does.
It really does.
Some people think, well, they're just going to put us on MLS and whoever sees it is going to bring somebody out. But those Callaways do a terrific job of marketing and really holding your hand, taking you through the whole thing. If you want to buy or sell a home, you really need to call those Callaways. And you've got one of their homes to tell us about today.
I do. I have a Phoenix home, and it's on a half-acre lot on a cul-de-sac, and it's got a rooftop deck, which I think sounds really cool.
That sounds neat.
The square footage is over 3,600 square feet. It's got 4 en-suite bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. The split master suite has a cozy sitting area and a private exit. They have dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and the jetted bathtub. Soaring 12-foot ceilings in the grand living spaces. They have a 3-car garage with storage room and a sink in there, RV gate and parking, and the eat-in kitchen. It has cherry cabinets and a one-of-a-kind slab granite countertops and backsplash, premier stainless appliances, including a built-in microwave and double ovens.
Oh, wow.
And all of this for just $775,000.
Oh, that sounds like a really good deal.
So it's a great deal, so people need to go check it out today.
I agree.
Thanks for joining me.
Uh-huh.